this is the help video for Excel Chapter 3, Guided Project 3.3. I am at the assignment screen in SimNet, and I'm going to download the start file and the solution file in the event I need to compare my work. I am using Windows, so I have it tagged to Windows, but if you're using a Mac, please make sure you click over to the Mac on the slider. I'm going to go ahead and open up my start file for the Guided Project 3.3, and I'm going to enable the file. Remember, the Guided in Independence, you do not change the name, so I am going to leave this as it is. All right, so I have opened my Blue Lake Sports, and I want to create a pie chart. So we want revenue by department sheet, and let's just review what we're going to do a pie chart on. We're going to select A4 through F4, so the department through St. Louis, and then we're going to select A13 through F13. So all we want is A4 through F4, and then A13 through F13. Okay, so let me just pull this up. So I'm validating the data, and look, it says golf. So we know, we know that we're doing the correct thing. So I have the department and I have golf. I'm going to insert on the recommended. It has a pie chart. I'm going to click on pie chart, and there it is. So I have created the pie chart that shows the sales for the golf department by location, by city. So we're going to select this and this chart and click the more on the styles, and we want to select style 12. So that's the very last style. Kind of gives it the little rounded edge on there. Okay, so now we want to position our chart. Okay, so now we want to position our chart, so we're going to select it and drag A21, so the little corner up there in A21, and then we want to drag the bottom down to G36. Okay, so we have sized it and positioned it. So we've decided we like this, but we'd like to change it to a 3D pie. So I want to come up here to change chart type, and I want to select pie, 3D pie, and it changes it to a 3D. There we go. All right. We want to format a pie element. So we're going to double click on the pie to open up the format data series. We want to select the Atlanta slice, so that's this blue one. So now we just have our tooltips around Atlanta. And in the series option, we want to click on the chart here, a little picture of the chart, and we're going to explode that by 10%. And we're going to close that out. Click off of Atlanta. All right, so we're going to continue with our formatting of this. We're going to click the chart elements, that's the plus sign. We want data labels, more options. we want the percentage box and deselect the value. We want to select a Control B. It's going to make this bold. And then we want to select I'm sorry, I got lost. And then we want to change the font size to 12. So I went home and 12. And if you didn't do the Control B, right there, your B, you could click your B there. Okay, so now we have a percentage by slice for each of those cities for their Gulf. All right, click the Shape Outline button. So we have the chart border. So if you want to, so right now, see I have the plot area. So we want to do the chart area. So this outer, and we want to do shape outline. So I'm going to close that up. Format, shape, and we're doing the shape outline. And we want purple, accent 4, darker 50, right there. We're going to go back here, do weight, 1 point. So we're going to make it a little bit thicker. If I click off of it and I look at my answer file, it's looking very much like it. You can see the purple line around it. So that's good. Okay. All right, so at that point, I am going to stop this. We're done with the pie chart. We're going to pick up with the line chart on the next one, so we'll do the next movie on that. But I think our Gulf is looking good. All right, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to stop this movie at the end of 7.